In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in Notion, whether you're managing budgets, tracking expenses, or simply customizing your workspace to suit your local preferences. Adjusting the currency setting in Notion can enhance your workflow and make your data more meaningful at a glance. Let's walk through this step by step so you can effortlessly tailor Notion to suit your needs. First, you'll need to access Notion. Open up your web browser and navigate to Notion. Once you've logged in, identify the specific page where you have financial data you want to adjust. This could be any table or database within Notion where you are using currency figures. Once you're on the right page, the next thing you need to do is locate the column that contains the currency or numerical data. Typically, this is labeled something like amount or cost. It's here where you manage the currency settings. Click directly on the column heading, which should be labeled as amount, for instance. It's important to ensure that this column is actually formatted as a number or currency to begin with, otherwise you might not see the settings you need. After clicking on the amount heading, a menu will pop up with several options. Look for and click on the option that says Edit Property. It's from this menu that you can make changes to the column settings, transforming the way numbers are displayed across your table. This can be particularly useful if you're dealing with financial tables or project budgets. Following this, you'll see a list of settings and you'll want to hit the number format option. This setting allows you to specify precisely how numbers and currencies are represented in your table. It's a small change, but one that can make a big difference in readability, especially if you work with international teams or multiple currencies. Finally, from within the number format menu, you'll have the opportunity to select the currency option. A list will appear showcasing various currency symbols and formats that Notion supports. Pick the currency format that you prefer or that aligns with your financial data. Once selected, your table will update to reflect this new currency setting. In this way, you're able to customize the look and feel of your data, ensuring that it's not just accurate, but also visually aligned with the currency you operate in. And there you have it. You've successfully customized the currency on your Notion page. Remember, this setting is specific to the individual columns you update, so be sure to repeat the process for any other sections of your database where currency formatting is required. This is a great way to make your Notion workspace truly your own, adapting it to fit your personal or business needs seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more handy Notion tips.